Okay, so welcome back. We've created most of our parts now. We might have done this earlier on in another tutorial. We'll just go through it again to put it in the right drawing. So we want to create our 3D print, the bit that goes on the back. So I'm going to just select the front plane, and I'm going to do a sketch on that front plane there. And I'll look at it from the front. And we want to draw a circle that is 35 millimeters diameter. And what I'm then going to do is just to do our little thumb grips. I'm going to draw another circle on the edge of it. I'm going to do that, maybe a diameter of 5. Left click 5, return. And I'm going to trim that part away. And what I want to do now is I want to repeat this. So I'm going to just press escape, select that, and I'm going to go for a circular pattern. And if you notice, it's selected the center of there, and it's transformed it, rotated it 3 times around that central axis. What I can do now if I want is I can double click on the 3 and I'm going to change that to 7, and it's repeated it 7 times around the center. So I'm going to click the select tool. I want that. We've come out of the sketch, but I'm just going to go back into it. And what I'm going to do now is just trim away, nibble away all these parts here. That we don't want. Just the final 2 there. And click the tick to confirm the sketch. Go for an isometric view, and we're going to extrude this through 4 millimeters. Extrude there, and it's set at default 25. I'm just going to go for 4. And click the tick. And we want to just use a fillet tool on here just to, and obviously you can change this to be whatever you want. You might have different patterns or something like that, put your name on it. But we then want to use the fillet tool, and I just want to knock a radius around that outside edge. So I'm just going to click those edges there. And every time it goes orange, we know we've selected it. And I'm going to have a fillet radius, just go, this is 4, let's go 2. And click the tick to confirm, and it's just given us a nice little fillet around there of 2 millimeters. The next thing we want to do is create a sketch, and I'm going to create a sketch on that front plane there. Look at it from the front, and I'm just going to just draw a circle with a diameter of, let's go for a diameter of 4. Click the tick to confirm. And I go to the isometric view. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to create a hole. So instead of extruding, I'm going to use the hole tool. I like the hole tool, it's good. So I'm going to select this central part of that there. And if you look, you can change the settings here, but mine at default are a 4 millimeter diameter hole with a 6 millimeter chamfer across and a 90-degree on the chamfer. So I'm going to click the tick to confirm, and that will be our 3D print. What I will also do is, as it's 3D printed, I'm just going to change the color of it. So I've selected that, go to the appearance panel and double click on that light blue there, and we're going to have it sort of a violet color. Click the tick to confirm, and we're going to rename this part now, rename 3D print. And we can click that to confirm. And there we are, we have our 3D printed handle. So good luck.